Welcome back to Chinese Zero to Hero. This is John. Today I'm just gonna go over another mispronunciation that I do hear in a lot of your recordings, and that is pronouncing the third tone incorrectly, pronouncing it as a rising tone. Let's take a look. First, let's watch the clip again.
不然你贵也给我磕几个响头也可以。
Right, so the problem word here is 响头, 响头. A lot of you are pronouncing it like 响头. Instead of saying da-da, you're saying da-da, da-da. I think the reason is because a lot of you have been told that the third tone is a fall and a rise, right? A lot of you are told that the third tone needs to rise at the end, like 响, 响. But that is not the case. The third tone is a low flat tone. It's always low and always flat. So it's 响, 响, 响. It does not rise. The only time it does rise a little bit is when it's at the end of the sentence before a long pause, right? At the end of a phrase, like for example, before a comma, before a question mark, or before a semicolon, for example, only before those long pauses do third tones have a little rise at the end. But most of the time, they are just low and flat. 响头, 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 响头. The tone is da da, da da, da da, 响头, 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 响头. It's not 响头, it's 响头. Let's do another word that also has this issue, and that is the word for guts or courage, 胆子. Please repeat after me. Let's first do some da-da-das. Da-da, da-da, da-da. Which tune does it remind you of? Da-da, da-da. 胆子, 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 胆子. Let's do some variations. Let's add another word in front of 胆子, but different words with different tones. Okay, so 真, 美, 小, and 大. Let's add those in front of 胆子 and practice. 真胆子. Please repeat. 真胆子. 真胆子. 没胆子. 没胆子. 小胆子. 小胆子. 大胆子. 大胆子. Should we do this again? Maybe with da-da-das first. Okay, let's do some da-da-das. First, da-da-da, da-da-da, da-da-da. 真胆子, 真胆子, 真胆子. Second one, da-da-da, da-da-da, da-da-da. 没胆子, 没胆子, 没胆子. Da, da, da. Right. Third one is da, da, da. It's actually the same because when you have two third tones, the first one becomes the second tone, right? So 小胆子 becomes 小胆子, right? So really the second and third tones in this case are the same. So 小胆子, da, 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 da. 小胆子, 小胆子. And the final one is da, 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 大胆子, 大胆子, 大胆子. Do you hear a difference in your pronunciation after this training? Well, if you don't, it might take some time and take some imitation along with the drama to perfect your pronunciation. That's why I created this course. So if you haven't joined already, this is a free pronunciation correction program. It actually allows you to record your voice and have me personally hear it and give you some comments. So if you have problems, I'll tell you, okay, this tone is off, or that tone is off, or you're pronouncing this word incorrectly, etc. So give it a try. And if you don't know how to join, if you're having problems signing up with Dakaya, please hit the link above. I'm gonna put a little banner on YouTube. Hit that link above and watch my other video that goes through the entire process of signing up with Dakaya and getting to my course and complete your assignments. So that's it, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.